Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced crypto knowledge. Simple, clear, powerful. Today we cover a breakthrough, a major evolution in blockchain, the future of interoperability. It's called Bridgeless crosschain technology, and it's changing everything. Blockchains struggle to communicate. They operate in isolation. Value stays locked in each chain. Assets cannot move freely, and this limits Web3 massively. The world needs blockchains to talk smoothly, securely, and instantly. That's where bridgeless systems enter. Traditional bridges transfer tokens between chains, but they are risky, slow, and often hacked. Billions have been lost through bridge exploits because bridges rely on custodians, or wrapped tokens, or centralized validators. These points of failure create danger. Bridgeless tech solves this. Instead of moving tokens, it moves instructions, messages, proofs, and verified commands. One chain sends a message, another chain executes it, without locking, without wrapping, without middlemen. This is called message passing. It makes chains communicate directly, with cryptographic security and no synthetic assets. Your tokens stay native. No duplicates, no repacked versions, just pure interoperability and maximum safety. Let's explore how this works. Modern protocols use oracles, like clients, relayers, decentralized networks, and advanced cryptographic proofs. These systems verify messages, confirm authenticity, prevent fraud, and ensure no one cheats. It's secure by design. Think of it as cross-chain API calls. One chain can request data, trigger transactions, transfer ownership, execute swaps, or update states. Across any chain, with a single message, it creates an omnichain future, a unified blockchain ecosystem. Protocols like LayerZero enable this. Axelar enables general message passing. Wormhole connects multiple ecosystems. Chainlink's CCIP provides secure routing. Circle CCTP enables native stablecoin transfer. Hyperlane builds chain-agnostic messaging. These systems remove fragmentation and unlock global liquidity across all networks without bridges. Bridgeless communication transforms DeFi. Liquidity can move automatically. Smart contracts can coordinate actions. dApps can live on multiple chains. Assets can flow where demand is highest. Users can transact anywhere without even noticing the chain. This is real interoperability, and it's coming fast, faster than most expect. The future of Web3 is multi-chain. Not one chain winning, not one chain dominating, but a network of networks, connected seamlessly, securely, efficiently, and without fragile bridges. Welcome to the era of bridgeless cross-chain systems.